countertop. These are all included. Kitchen cabinets. We have the shower. Okay, let me show you the master's bedroom. Right over here. We have sliding windows, and of course the shower and your throne. Right, nice. Very high ceiling. This is the second bedroom. It's a nice one for your small kids. You can even put a bunk bed here. So the third bedroom has almost the same size with the second bedroom. It's very nice. You have open sliding windows. So you have free-flowing air, and the screen is also included. And let's go to the back door. Yep. So we have an open space here. Walking towards your garage. Yep, so this would be your garage area. Nice. Let's go back inside. This here, you can landscape your garden here. So we go back to the main entrance. We wanted to see this side, so this part.